Good day everyone. Today we're going to change the LCD on A10s. First thing, remove the SIM card, then just go through it. It's broken, you can see there. Remove the fingerprint sensor. Battery is covered by 1, 2, 3 screws with the plate. I'll remove them and lift up the battery connector. Now we're going to disconnect the battery. I haven't done it before, so I'm just gonna figure out. So we got another display assembly. This is the Flexi then, so we have to remove the battery. So we're gonna open here. I believe it goes under like that. Once the screws are removed, LCD, then this is the LCD. This will close it just now. Let's see if the battery comes out easily. If not, then we'll heat up a bit from this side, not that much of heat. Okay. Let's take out this antenna cable. It's not coming out easy, so I have to heat up a little bit this side. I heated up this side, still no effect, so I'm gonna remove the LCD first then. You can see that it's coming out easy, mean I did heat up. There it is, you can see it's going under the battery. This LCD is already broken, so we're going to break it here. Now I'm going to heat up a little bit onto the sides of the battery so it can come off from this side though. After heating it up, I did put this type of tool in there and try to release it. Just be careful, don't puncture it. If you're using the hot air station, I kept the temperature to 250. If you're using a heat gun, medium to low. So I'm gonna carry on until it comes off. I just lifted it up till here so I can make a gap, because this adhesive is quite stubborn, you know. I don't want to damage the battery. You can just remove this flex. I'll put a new LCD to test it. So the LCD is working. This is by far the best I can test it. You can see it's the same phone. I'm just going to put it nicely now and start closing from the bottom and put a plate back here, and then we'll put the glue around it. Or we can, in the last, I think it's better, yeah, because it has enough space. Gently press the battery because you don't want to damage the screen this side also. With your thumb to put it back to its position. You can also remove the battery or the LCD to flatten it full, and then you can gently slide it up again to slide in the LCD back again. But this time you should not put too much force because it's already like loosened a bit. Clean the sides as well, so when you put new glue it stick properly. So in the beginning I showed you this plate to open. There was no connection between LCD changing and that plate, so you can leave that. Now put all these screws back. Please subscribe my channel, please. I have lots of watch time, less subscriber, please help me out. Please subscribe my channel. After closing all around, we're going to put it back our sensor. I still have not put the glue yet. Once the sensor is on its place, I can start closing. I left the glue for the last because I had to put a screen protector for customer. Go smoothly all around with our favorite T7000. I'm gonna go and put all the glue around it. Once the glue is around, excess glue, don't worry about it, it will be dried off and come off easily. Now we can put our rubbers and leave it to dry for about half an hour. This is how we change the LCD on A10s. If you like my video, please subscribe, share, like, comment. I'll try my best to answer you. Any suggestion, let me know. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye.